you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I already know the hype about these glueless wigs are freaking crazy, okay? The girls are going crazy. We are saving our edges all 2023. We don't have to buy glue, lace spray, like none of that. So why not hop on a train and get you a glueless wig? This video is sponsored by Wig Fever hair. They did send over their 26 body wave unit. It is 180% density. So this is what the unit looks like after I washed it. Like, the waves are still there and super pretty. This is what the inside of the unit looks like. It comes with a band to tighten your wig because we need it tight. The way that this unit is pre-plucked and cut, oh my goodness. Like, all you have to do is take it out the box and put it on, because they did send over a band, an edge wrap, a comb that says Wig Fever, HD wig cap, baby. Yes, wig storage, and of course they sent over a bonnet that says Wig Fever on the back. Like, of course, like everything you need in a box. Let's see what this glueless wig is giving. So first I'm gonna go in and apply some foundation to the lace just so it could match my skin. I'm trying to have the hoochies like, damn girl, is that a wig? Bruh, I forgot to put my cap on. Hold on. This HD lace, like, y'all be coming through. You don't have to do the crazy ball cap method for the glueless wigs. Like, that is a win. A win is a win. Let's see what this unit is giving. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps. Oh yes, 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 ma'am. So let's go ahead and curl it, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. But oh my god, it's pretty like this, because it's pretty like this. I don't even have to curl it because it's giving. Like, it's really giving like this. I don't even have to curl it. I am loving the natural curls on this unit. I don't even want to curl it. That is so pretty, so pretty. Okay, well, I'm gonna fix this part and I'm gonna leave it like this because it's definitely giving. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like, after a good wash and air dry, like, is giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. It's giving. Yeah, okay. though you can't really see the lace, I still can see like small parts or whatever. So I saw this girl use water to like lay the lace more flat. So I'm about to try it and see. Just to give it that melted look. It's only water. Oh yeah, that helped a lot. Okay, y'all, so everything about this unit will be in the description box below. Y'all, this wig is definitely one of my faves. I didn't have to do much to it. I washed it. I didn't curl it or anything. This is what it's looked like on its natural state. So yeah, this is their 26 inch and it's definitely glueless because what wig. Yeah, so I would definitely rate this unit a 10 out of 10. So click the link down below in the description box and get you one, girl, because we're what? Saving edges all 23. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.